Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply colorful edges on this device. Firstly, open Play Store and type edges. Then download this app from this developer. Now open it and click on one of these themes, for example that one. Name it, click OK Creatives and close the net. Over here you can customize your edges however you want to. For example, you can change run style, add pattern, change animation speed, border size, and many other things. For example, you can adjust it to the notch. When you're done, but you want to leave your current wallpaper, you can always click on one of these sources like photos, select the photo, adjust it, and click at the top right corner. Now click Create and tap on the theme that you created. Choose Enable Wallpaper, set wallpaper, and decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. Now when I go back, I can see that my edges were successfully applied. But if you want to see them when you use apps, you can always go back into the app, choose Home, scroll all the way down and tap on the switcher next to Enable Overlay Other App. Then click Yes. Tap on the switcher next to Edges app, so it will be that one, and go back. Now click on the same switcher one more time. As you can see, now I can see my edges when I use apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!